I'd like to share how I learned to accelerate one of the most common tasks in Power BI development.
Implementing time intelligence.
For years, developers have spent countless hours writing dozens, sometimes hundreds of nearly